In this video, you will learn how to connect Python to MetaTrader 5. Install MetaTrader 5. Download and install MetaTrader 5 from the official MetaQuotes website. Then, set up a trading account with a supported broker. Install Python. Make sure Python is installed on your system. You can get it at the official Python website. Install MetaTrader 5 Python package. Open your terminal or command prompt, then install the MetaTrader 5 package using the standard pip command. Enable algorithmic trading in MetaTrader 5. Launch MetaTrader 5 and go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisor, then check the option to allow automated trading. Write a Python script to connect. Connect a Python script that initiates a connection to MetaTrader 5 using the existing library. Run your script. Execute the script in the terminal or code editor. If everything works correctly, your Python environment will connect MetaTrader 5 successfully. Now you know how to easily connect Python to MetaTrader 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.